Hi folks, Steven here and welcome into the Truck King YouTube channel. Ford has just released some new details on its upcoming small electric truck, including the name, the Ford Fathom, and the starting price, and we have to go over all of it right now. The Ford Fathom is a brand new all-electric small truck, although it's sitting on a new universal platform that Ford is going to use to roll out a bunch of different body styles. Things like small vans, small SUVs, and crossovers, they will all be offered on this same platform. But the Ford Fathom is going to be the first product that arrives. It's going to be a truck probably slightly smaller than the Ford Maverick, and Ford constantly cites the fact that it will have the same interior volume as the Toyota RAV4. So they're saying even though it's a small vehicle, it's going to be pretty big inside, and it's not a coincidence they use the RAV4 because that thing is a bestseller, so they know people will be comfortable with that amount of space. Now, talking about the price and when you can get it, because those are big details that Ford just released, the starting MSRP on the Ford Fathom in the United States is going to be $28,350. And Ford says that the pre-order process will begin in early 2027. So we don't know exactly when trucks will land in driveways, but we do know that starting early 27, you'll at least be able to put your hand up and say that you want one. Now, for a little frame of reference on the price, we can also compare it to the Ford Maverick. So in the US, the Ford Maverick XL with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, that's the base model, it starts at $27,145. So the Fathom is going to be a little bit more expensive than where the Maverick starts. Ford also then confirmed a whole bunch of the different features that are going to be available on the Fathom, presumably from the base price, although they weren't exactly clear on that. They just say that, again, it's projected to have more passenger volume than the RAV4, and it will have a large, high-resolution touchscreen, bi-directional power capability, a digital key, a frunk, and a bed. Of course, it is a pickup truck. It will also seat 5 adults. Beyond that, Ford says that every Fathom will be Blue Cruise capable, so you'll be able to get that hands-free driving system if you want it. You'll also have Apple Maps and Android Auto capability. So that's quite a bit of technology that's being built into this. And I think that, for me, right away, compares very favorably to the Slate truck. That's the brand new small electric truck from a company called Slate. And Slate's whole thing is their base truck is extremely base. It doesn't have a touchscreen. It doesn't even have a radio. Now, Slate's truck still undercuts this Fathom by a little bit. Slate's starting MSRP is $26,400, so it's a little bit cheaper, but it's also coming with quite a bit less inside of it. Now, overall, I think what's exciting is we're finally getting what I feel like was promised at the beginning of EVs, which was small, affordable models. And these ones just so happen to be pickup trucks, which make them that much more functional. So yeah, whether you like the Slate more or you're gonna like the Fathom more, I just think it's exciting that we finally have these small, affordable vehicles. Now, of course, I wish they were sub $20,000, but that's just the way of the world with inflation these days. And still at $28K starting price, that's fairly affordable, I think, for what you're getting. Let's go over some of the other details on the Ford Fathom that we already had. For example, we know that there's going to be a base size battery and then there'll be an extended range battery that you can pay for. Base range is said to be around 200 miles, although Ford hasn't confirmed battery size or range yet. So at this point, that is just a guess. The entry-level Fathom will be rear-wheel drive, and then all-wheel drive will also be available on this small truck. And there you have it, folks. The Ford Fathom is now official, and I do think the price point is correct. And I kind of like the name. I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts on the name Ford Fathom. In the press release, Ford did give some kind of marketing reasons why they went with Fathom. For example, they say that it has the multi-layered quality that they wanted. But outside of that, I did think it was interesting. They also talked about having many meetings and then chopping names. And then with the final group of names, they went out and asked 15 Ford engineers to pick their favorite. and Fathom overwhelmingly came back as the winner. So yes, we don't have any more details now. I'm sure Ford will continue to trickle out the details as we move forward. Of course, the next big thing is we want to see this small truck. Now, the other thing they have talked about in depth is the manufacturing process for the new Ford Fathom, because the whole process is very different from the way they are building vehicles before. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the universal EV platform that they're going to base a bunch of vehicles on. And that manufacturing efficiency, having many body styles, and in the way they're building the vehicles, are allowing them to price them fairly affordably. So yeah, I think this is all good news. I'm curious to see how this will be received. We know that full-size electric trucks just straight up haven't done well. I believe these companies probably should have started with small vehicles to begin with, because lightweight vehicles kind of lend themselves better to electrification. So I'll be very curious to see more on the Fathom, and of course get behind the wheel as soon as we can. But for now, that's it for this video. Please drop in the comments. Let me know what you think of the name Ford Fathom, of the price. Are you excited about this? Do you wish it had a gas engine? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So drop down there and let me know. And then as always, make sure you come straight back here to the channel to see what we're testing next.